Our today's kitchen recipe is beaten beans with garlic. So watch for a quick and easy food recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams canned beans, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, for hardening onions, Vegeta or salt, for taste. Preparation instructions. Clean the beans and wash them in more water. It is good to leave it to soak for a few hours before putting it to boil, possibly from evening to morning. Of course, if you use canned beans to get rid of this problem, you can go straight to the point. Boil the beans in cold water to cover them well. Boil for 20 minutes, then discard the water and boil it again, this time in hot water. Boil the beans until they are completely soft, and the grains become easy to crush between the fingers. Drain the water in which the beans were boiled, but do not throw it all away, but keep aside about a cup of liquid. We pass the beans and the garlic to the vertical blender. Thin with enough water to obtain the desired consistency. We match salt to suit everyone's taste. Then we cut the onion into slices or cubes, as you prefer. I cut it into slices this time. Sauté the onion in the sunflower oil until golden. Add the tomato paste, let it harden for another 1 to 2 minutes, during which time stir continuously so that the onion does not burn. Pour the onion and broth mixture over the beans. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.